If you've been thinking of starting UGC, but the idea of doing an unboxing video has you spiraling, I want you to stop scrolling. You need to watch this video because I'm not just going to show you how to do one unboxing. I'm going to show you how to film both ASMR unboxing and a UGC unboxing video. You don't have to have any skills. You can be brand new at this. I take it so slow and so easy that by the time you're finished with this video, you're going to be ready to go make your own. Today is episode 4 of my YouTube series for beginner UGC content creators. We're calling it the UGC Portfolio Bootcamp. And it's where I show you simple, how-to, easy ways to start this process of becoming a UGC creator. It's so overwhelming. There's so much information out there. So now I just want you to take a deep breath. I want you to have the mindset, I can do this, because you can. And if you're feeling alone in this journey, I don't want you to. I actually have a community called the Content Creators Hub. It is free. I have over 450 people in there where we all just hang out, support, and encourage one another. We talk about all things content creation. We're learning new skills together. And you know what? We even have coffee together every Friday morning. So if this is something you want to do, just find the link below. All right, let me get this equipment set up and let's get started. Last week, we talked about the 3 different types of unboxing videos. You have the influencer style, you have the UGC style, and you have the ASMR style. Influencer style, that's just someone giving an over-the-top reaction to something very big, very look at me, look at the product, look at me again. I'm not going to show you that one. All you have to do is go on any social media and you'll see that all day. I'm going to show you how to film both the ASMR and the UGC. So for equipment, you just need a good light. Window is totally fine. Your camera works great. It needs to be on something stable. And you may need a partner to help you shoot certain shots. Unless you have a small tripod, you can use a neck mount for hands-free shots. But let's be real, sometimes I just ask my honey to shoot something for me. It's just easier and faster. You got to make this work for you. Just find a way to get the shot. You don't need all the tech. Whatever works to get you that shot. We're going to start with the UGC unboxing. This is the one brands usually want from you. And the first shot we want to set up is we want to show us and the product. You look pleasant, you hold the product in the best light, and that's clip 1 done. Clip number 2, you need an overview of the box and the packaging. I really love to use my neck mount for some shots, but it is really hard to be still with this. You could put the package on a floor on something really nice. You could shoot the camera down onto the package. You could stand up on your couch and shoot down, but the product needs to be showcased and nothing else distracting the eye. Now for clip 3, you want to show the package being opened. For me, I'm just lifting the lid off the box, but there's so many different ways you can open it. You might untie ribbon, you might be pulling off tape, and if there's bubble wrap or paper or peanuts, you may show 1 or 2 seconds of that, but mostly you want to cut all that out. People get bored so fast with that. Now, clip 4, you want to be showing what's inside the box. You're pulling out each piece. And don't forget to share your experience. What do you think of it at first sight? And here's where you get creative. You're going to want to divide the showing of the product into little tiny clips so you can capture all the nuances. In my case, I had accessories, I had a charger, I had earpieces, even a little bag. I want all these things to be showcased, but if I'm doing a 30-second review, I need to make these really short little clips. Now next, if this is a product that you have to show someone how to use, this is where you want to fit that in. For me, it's just slipping them over my neck, showing them how they fit on my ear. But if you're showing perfume, maybe you want to spray it and smell it. Whatever you want to highlight with your product, this would be the time to do it. Then your very final clip is you wrapping up your final thoughts about what your perception is of this product. What did you think about it? Did you love it? Are you excited to use it? Now, you're going to make this super easy on yourself because you are not going to speak while you're doing this. For this UGC experience, I want you to do a voiceover, which means you're not talking and showing the product at the same time. So for me, that means planning what I'm going to do. I'm going to open the box. I'm going to pull it out. I'm actually writing down all the steps, and then I plan after the fact what I'm going to say about all those steps. So I plan it, I film it, then I do my voiceover. So this brand wanted it under 30 seconds. Let me show you the final clip. Have you ever tried bone conduction headphones? Check these out. My first impression, they were super light. I really like that. These actually deliver sound through your cheekbones. So now you can listen to your music, but you can also hear what's going on around you too. It comes with 2 magnetic chargers. You also get these adjustable earpieces. I love that they're waterproof and they last 6 hours on a charge. I can even wear these hiking and they will not budge. These might have been designed for swimmers, but I am taking these everywhere I go. Now for the aesthetic ASMR style video. This has to be my favorite style unboxing video. I love how creative people get with lighting, angles. There's so many fun things you can do. But for today, we're going to keep it so simple. Your UGC client is going to hire you to do an ASMR video, 15 to 30 seconds, showcasing their product. They don't want any voiceover, they just want music. And then they tell you, just use your creativity. Now for this one, I use my neck mount a lot. But you can go outside, set up in the grass. You can stack a bunch of books next to a window. You can use shadows to play with the light. There's so many fun things to do. So clip 1 is going to be showing the packaging and the box. You want all the sounds. You want bubbles popping. You want tape ripping. You want nails on the box. You want to showcase the sound any way you can. I would make this at least 3 different clips. You want to take 2 to 3 second clips showcasing all the sounds of the packaging. Maybe it doesn't have a lot of packaging. That's okay. Open the box. Put the box down. Putting the box lid down makes a sound. You can find ways to make sound however you want. Pulling lids off, putting lids back on, sitting products down, picking them up, turning things on and off, opening, closing things. And when you take these into tiny little 1, 2, 3 second clips, it makes it visually exciting. Be sure you zoom in on features, especially if they're small. Be sure the viewer can see all the little details too. And your final clip can be you using the product, you putting the product on, you doing something with the product. And don't forget, if the sound is too quiet, you can turn the volume up in your editing software, and you want to be sure the lighting is super playful and creative. So after you filmed each little clip, throw them into your editing software and just take the best parts. When you have your finished edit, then you add on your music. If it is for a brand, you want to be sure it's royalty free. Next clip, I'm going to show you my little ASMR video for these smart audio glasses. If this is already helping you, hit subscribe, because next week we're going to be talking about product reviews, and that is the bread and butter of UGC brand creation. We're going to talk about so many helpful things. Head to the comments if you have any questions about product reviews for the next video. I'll be sure to cover them, because this entire series is made just for the beginner, just for the newbie, the one who really wants to do it. This series is so beginner friendly. All right, that's it. You now know how to do an unboxing video. I'm excited to see which one you want to try. Let me know in the comments. Bonus points if you do it right now. Go grab something in your home that's boxed up that you can just practice with. Literally go do it now. Until next episode, I want you to hit record, say the thing, and be brave. Bye.